Msibenta ban rakhe ka jingyo Jylla bapura ka Meghalaya. Ini kasngi Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ukanrat ke sama. Ula palat Paidbah ikidur ki ban Kynmaw ya ka Jylla Meghalaya kabalatip kum ka iconic exhibition photos of interest ha State Convention Hall. Habakran hakani kasngi Menteri Rangba ula kentui ki khon samla ban penklanya ka jingtip syapang la ka Jylla. Knang bakin la ban kham it bat kham sngo jan ya la ka jong ka Jylla.
Everything that is connected with the state and as much as possible in the last 50 years, the defining moments. It is important that people, the citizens of the state, especially the younger generation, most of whom do not know about a lot of this history, they need to get connected to it. And that is the reason why in this entire 50th year of the statehood, a number of different programs are being organized to remind ourselves about the different phases that we went to get our state, and also more importantly the events that have shaped the state of Meghalaya to bring it to where we are today. The photographs are these moments that you capture, and it is such a I should say, a lot of people think it's very simple, but it's not that simple. I'm not a photographer myself, but whenever I tried my hand at it, it's not come out too well. And I realize that the kind of the moment, you need to capture the right moment at the right time. You need to, as a photographer, need to know which that moment is. Somehow there's a sixth sense in you to know that this is the moment to capture. Aspects of details. A lot of times people don't realize, you just think that there's a phone and you just click like that. But there are a lot of details that you need to capture on a camera. And today, nowadays, with so much of technology available in camera, the kind of adjustments you need to make, so you need to exactly know what kind of focus to have.